back to my channel, Cooking with Eva Life. Hello world, hello Philippines. Hope everybody are in good spirit. Alright, last week we make a healthy food, but this time no diet. Because we're making a dessert, which is one of the favorite dish or desserts in Philippines. And I'm sure not only in Philippines, I know some other countries too, they're doing or making this kind of desserts. And also, by the way, one of my viewers, he requests me to make a different kind of dish. And I just want to let you know, I'll do it next week or next videos. Okay, just stay tuned and keep watching my videos. Alright, let's get started now. Let's make a mango float. Alright, here's our recipe. Cream crackers. I use honey. I always use honey because I love it. Condensed milk. Nestle cream. And 6 ripe mangoes. We're not using a big recipe, okay? We're just using making a small recipe right now, okay? And also a small aluminum foil pan, okay? Or baking pan, I would say. Okay, let's get started slicing the mango. I'll slice the mango first before we put the ingredients. I hope everything is good because last time I bought a mango is bad. And, wasting. So, hope this time everything is okay. Okay, we can't use this one because it's bad. There you go. Alright. Now we can slice like this. You don't need to use the seeds, but I will eat it later because I love mango. I don't want to throw it away. Alright. Now we can scrape this. Alright. Let's scrape the mango. Alright, it's ready. Now, let's put it aside. Now, let's do the condensed milk. Okay. Next is Nestle cream. stir this well. So creamy. Mix this well. Okay, now it's ready. Let's put this aside. Okay, let's put our, okay, let me put this here first. Now let's put the graham. Let's use this one, this is already open. Oh, wait a minute, I need to put juice first so that it will stick. You just put a little bit right here and spread it all over in the baking pan. Now we can start this. You just, it's only by layer and layer. It's a little bit similar to the one that I made before. If you remember, I made a graham cake, which is I was using what do you call this one? The cocktail. I'm sorry. I was thinking what's the name of that fruit. Let's put a little bit in here. We don't need to miss the space. As much as possible, we cover it. Okay? Need to cover everything. Even if like this sideways, it's fine. That's fine. Okay. Now, let's put the mango. I forgot the mango. Okay. Now this one. You can do either way. This one, the milk first, and then on top is the mango. Either way, you can do it. Just cover the whole. There you go. And then let's do another layer. I thought it doesn't clip. That's good. There you go. Okay, let's do this way. The juice first, or the milk. So creamy. So now the mango. Okay, now we're almost done. think that one is fine. Yeah, I think that one is fine. You know, mango. Oh, wow. Looks so pretty. Let's put all of this. Oh, wow. Our recipe is really exact for one baking pan, one small baking pan. Okay, this is good. Looks so yummy. That's it. All you have to do is to put in the refrigerator overnight, and then after that it's ready to eat. All right, thank you again for watching my YouTube, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you will try this, and please tag me whenever you try this kind of dish or desserts, because I want to see it too. Okay, all right, thank you for watching. Bye Philippines, bye world. Have a wonderful day. Until next time, God bless.